to our video sessions of exercise 1.4 part 2. Last class we explained or do numbers 1 to 6 exercise 1 from 1.4. Today we do onwards number 7. Okay. Then already we know about the estimations of what's AD. Now what the question is, find the estimated sum by rounding up. Estimated sum already we know about this. Now here we know the estimated difference. Today we know about which one? Number 7 is estimated difference. Difference means what? Minus. So today we learn estimated difference. Okay. Estimated difference by rounding up to the nearest 100. Already we know about the what's round up of nearest 100, nearest 1000, nearest 10,000. So today we learn estimated what difference by nearest 100. The first bit. Question is here. 3,409. 409 minus. Okay. 562. Then when we rounded up it in nearest 100. Rounded up nearest 100. That is solution. Okay. Rounded up nearest 100. That means 1, 10. 10 place is less than 5. Then it should be rounded up 40, 3400. Now 560 is rounded up. Here see, 10 place is more than 5. That's why the 5 is increased 1 and it should be converted into 600. Now the difference means first minus 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 borrow, 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Okay. Now 2800. The rounded up answer is what? Rounded up answer is 2800. When first we rounded up the numbers and find their difference. Now we will do second bit. What is second bit? Second bit question is there. 34,541. 34,541. Okay. Minus 3,459. 3,459. Then how can you solve? Solution. First we rounded up to nearest 100. Then find the difference. Then 34,541 is rounded up nearest 100. 34,541 is rounded up nearest 100 is 1 and 10. That means 10 is more less than 5. That's why it is rounded up 34,500. 34,500. Now 3,459. 3,459 is rounded up. See, 1 place, 10 place. 10 place is 5. Let's keep the 10. If the when we rounded up nearest 100, then we compare the which place. 10 place is more than 5. That's why we add 1 in the 100 place. Then 400 is changed into what? 500 because here more than 5. No, it should be rounded up 35. And that means 3,000. Then their difference. The difference is what? 0 subtracted by 0, 0 subtracted by 0, 5 subtracted by 5 equal to 0. Now 4 subtracted equal to 1. 31,000. 31,000 is the what? Difference of rounded up of second bits. Clear about this? How can we round it up nearest 100 and find the answer? Now we will do last bit. We will already completed 1, 5 bit, second bit. Now we will do third bit. Okay. Here is the third bit. Third bit. Here third bit is here. 500. Third bit is what? 98,001. 98,001. Okay. Minus 23,783. 23,783 is the question. Then how can you solve solution? First we rounded up nearest 100. Sure, I write here 98,001 is rounded off. 98,001 is rounded off. But here 10 is 0, so it should 98,000. Now 23,000 is rounded up. 23,780 is rounded up. Rounded up what? When we rounded up, here 1 10 place is 8, so it is more than 5. That's why 10 place is more than 5. So what we do here? We change the 100 place. It is near to the 800. So the answer is 23,800 is there. Okay. Now we can find their difference. So here 0 is subtracted with 0, 0 is 0, here 0, 8 not subtracted by the 0, then we borrow from the which place? 1000. 1000 place, there is 10. 10 minus 8 equal to what? 2 is there. Now here let 7. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Now 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Then their difference, rounded difference is what? 74,200 is the rounded answer. Clear about this? How can we find the answers? Now we will do fourth bit. Fourth bit, what is the fourth bit? Fourth bit कुछ नहीं है, 43,650. 43,650. 50 is there minus 32,455. 32,000. Sorry, 32,000 is there. But mistake, right? 32,455. Okay. 32,455 is there. So we rounded up its nearest 100. Then you can write here solution. Here 43,650 is rounded up. See here 10 place is more than 5. Then 650 is rounded up to 43,700. Now 32,455. 32,455 is rounded. Rounded means what? Rounded है C 1 place 10 place because we rounded up here nearest 100. 10 place is 5. That's why we rounded up 32,500. Now the difference is what? 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Now 7 minus 2 equal to 5, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. And it should be rounded. The rounded difference is what? 15,200. And we can learn now what? Find the difference by rounded up nearest 100. Now you will learn find the product by estimated product or rounded up product. How can see the question? We will do number 8 now. Okay. Find the estimated product. Next question is number 8. Number 8 is what? Estimated product. Estimated product means you know already. Product means when you multiply and multiplicand is multiply and we got an answer. That is called product. Like 4 into 5 equal to 20. That 20 is the product. Now with the by rounding of the nearest product by rounding of okay, rounding up to the nearest 100, to the nearest 100, rounding up to the nearest 100. Now what is the question? Estimated product. Then we can find the products. Then here first bit is what? First bit is 342 into 102. 342 into 102. 102. Then we can find the estimated product by what? Nearest 100. So see here nearest 100. Then we first will rounded solution. If 342 is rounded up nearest 100, then we should be rounded up nearest what? 1 and 10. And see here 10 this is more than 5 or less than 5, less than 5. So 342 is nearest to the 300. Okay. Now 102. 102 also is nearest to the what? 100 because here 0 is there. So it should be 100. Now here multiplier their product. That means 3 1s are 3. Now how many 0 is there? 1 0 2 0 0 is there. Then we multiply the numbers and put the 0 same. How many 0? 4 times 0. Then we put here 4 times 0. Then estimated product is what? 30,000. What? 30,000. Estimated product is here. The estimated product is what? 30,000. Then about it, how can we find the estimated product? Now we do second bit. 30. That means 3,209. 3,209 multiply 237. Then first what we do? First we rounded up nearest 100, then find their product easily. So here solution is what? 3209 is rounded up. 1 10 10 plus is 0, that's why it should be rounded up 3200. Now 237 is rounded up. Here 1 10 10 is 3 equal to what? 2, so it should be rounded up 200. Why 200? Because the 10 place is less than 5. Already I told you rule how we can, if the more than 5 or less than 5, then rounded up, increase or decrease one number, add or subtract one number. So here the product of the number is, how many zeros is there? 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0. Then you put 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0. Then 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Answer is 6,40,000 is the rounded up. Clear about this? Okay. Okay. Then I hope how can you round it up and find the product by the numbers of nearest 100. You learn is 9 to 30 and 4. Third 5,610. 5,610 multiply 2025, sorry 225. Then solution. Where 5,610 is rounded up. 10 is what? 1 to 5,600. Okay. Now 225 is rounded up. Where 25 is there, that's why it should be rounded up 200. Because the 10 place is 2. Because the 10 place is 1. Here 0 into 0, 2 times 1 times 0, 4 times 0. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10 and 11. Then the answer is 11,20,000. It should be rounded up. What? 2 6 are 12, 1 carry on, 2 5 are 10 and 1 11. So it should be rounded up 11,20,000. Okay. Now we will do 4th bit. Which bit? 4th bit. 3,492. 3,492 multiplied 316 is there. So when first work is first round up to nearest 100. So this one is rounded up. Yes, 1 place 10 place. 10 place is 9. Then here 4 is added 1 there. 35 100. Now 316. Here 1 place is what? 10 place is 1. So it should be rounded up 300. Because the 1 is less than 5. So 1 is multiplied. And again we put 4 times 0, 1 times 0, 2 times 0, 3 times 0, 4 times 0. Now put comma. 3 times 15 is there. Now comma. 3 3 is 9 and 10. Answer is 10,50,000 rounded up. 10,50,000. Clear? How can we find the what? Estimated products. Now we will learn find estimated quotient. Estimated quotient to the nearest 100. Okay. Estimated quotient. Question answer only one will rounded up nearest 100. Okay. Estimated quotient. Okay. Now we will find what? Estimated quotient. This one is O, Q, U, O, T, I, E, and E. Estimated quotient means first, well, we know the division. Now we know the division by rounding off, so we can find the first. How can we first round up and find the answer? See, first bit. Question is here 2,804 divide 154 is here. Now nearest rounded up what? Nearest 100. Then first we estimate it. Rounded nearest 100. What? Nearest 100. So we write 2,804 is rounded up. What? Nearest 100. So we compare which place? 10 place. 10 place is 0. Then it should be rounded up. 800 nearest 200. Now we divide it. See here, divide means what? We can do directly. Also 0 0 cancel. The answer is half. But 0 divided by 0, 0 divided by 0, 0 0 cancel. 2 4 the answer is 24. How to see? Sorry, 14 answer is here. 2800 by 200. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. Also we can do directly here. 0 0 cancelled, 0 0 cancelled. 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. That means 2 1 is 2. And answer is, the estimated question is what here? 14. Estimated question is 14. We can find the solution by using division. Also find using divisions directly. If you know that what's divisible rule. Already I told you the divisible rule. Okay. Now we will do number second. What is the sum number second? 35,479. 35,479. Okay. Divided by 200. Sorry. 521. 521 is there. 34,479 divided by 521. And first work is what? We rounded off it. Then 34,479 is rounded off. See, here 10 places more than 5. That's why it should be 34,500. Now 521. 521 is rounded up. Here 10 places 2. So it will not change. It should be what? 500 divided by 500. Then here 0 and 0 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel. Okay, 2 0 2 0 cancel. Now 5 6 is 30. Carry 4. 5 9 is 45. Then rounded up is what? Estimated question is 69. 5 6 is 30. Carry 4. Get down 4. Then 45. 5 9 is 45. Then estimated question is now second bit is 69. Okay, but what is 69? Whatever is the answer. Now we will do third bit. Which is third. Okay. Third bit. Here, third bit is what? 66,610. 66,610 divided 612. First work is what? Round up to nearest 100. Then solution. 66,610 is rounded off. Here, one place is what? 10 place is 1, no changes. Then 66,600 is rounded up by the nearest 100. Now 612 is rounded off. Here one place is 2, 12 places 1 to 5. The answer is 600. Now we should divide. That means what? The answer is what? Here 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6. That means 111 is the estimated what? Question. Estimated question. Also, if you have doubts, if you use the division method, find the answer like this. Okay, 600, then 600 1 is 600, 66, 66 cancel. Again, when you get down what? 0, 600 is 600. Again, we get down 6, 6, 0, 0 cancel, 0 get down 600 1 is 600 here. 0 0 0. The answer is 111. Also we can find out using the division method. Also you can find the answer directly, no problem. Which methods you have to understood properly and you satisfy that answer, then we do that process. Okay, no problem. We only write the words. Correct answer is okay. So number 4 bit. Number 4 bit. What is question here? 36 lakhs 9,000. 36 lakhs 9,234 is here. Now divided by 4,512 divided by 4,512. 4,512 512. First solution first we rounded off to nearest 100 up to nearest 100. So 36 here 10 please is 3. Rounded off 36 lakh 9,000. Here see 3 show 200. Now last number 4,512. 4,512 in one place is what? 2 and 10 place is 1. So rounded up 4,500. Now here what we do? Divides. Okay. 0 and 0 and 0 cancel. 2 0 cancel. Now see 6 and 3 what? How many divide by 45? 45 or also 5 for the 9. 6 9 9 18 and 2 but 20 is there, so you will divide it. The question is here 230, so that means 200. Okay, so here 0 and 0 is cancelled, then 45 divided by 360. From 45 to 8 jump 360. Now not divisible by the numbers, then we get down 2 numbers. If you get down 2 numbers, then put 0, then 45 to jump what? 90. Then reminders to then estimated question is 800. Estimated question is 802. Okay, how can I find the solution? My estimated question is 802. Clear about this? How can I find the answer of estimated? Now we will do number 9. What is the number 9? Solution. This one is estimated question is numbers 9. By mistake I forgot the number. This one is 9. Okay, sorry. The number is 9 number. Okay, I forgot that one. So don't mind, keep it, and number 9 is there. Okay. Here we will do number 10. Okay. Shonu added what? 278, 343, and 1035, and got the sum is 1656 using the method. That means we use what methods? Estimation method, and find the sum, find the subtraction, and find the multiplication. Here also Shonu added and got the answer 1656 using the estimation method. Then his answer appears sensible. That means sensible. That is correct or not? We can find out. So sensible or not? So how can you find out? First we solution. Get the answer. Shonu added which one? Shonu added. Yes or no? Shonu added 278, 343. 1030. Okay. Now the answer is 1656. How can you find out also? 8 and 16, 6, 7 and 14. Okay. 11, 13, 14, 5, 3 to 5. Okay. 3 to 5. See here 7 and 14, 11, 3 to 5. Carry 1, 6 and 1. Here 1656. Here also 1656. If Shonu added 278, 343, 135, he got 635. We also add the numbers and we got 1656. So we can say that. What we can say? Yes, the sum appears to be. Then we can say that yes, the sum appears to be sensible. Okay. So answer is what? Yes. We got the same answer or not? We got the same answer here also, and here also Shonu also got 656. And we got also 656. That's why the answer is what? Sensible. Then we can write it. Yes, the sum of yes. Okay, the sum appears. The sum appears to be sensible. Okay. If the answer is not correct, then we can able to show it is not sensible. But here the sum is what? Sensible. Clear? Question is very easy. Just only we can check it is correct or not, and write sensible or not. That means it is correct or not. Then we got the same answer. That's why the answer is what? Sensible. Clear about it? How? What is the question? What is the solution? Now we do 11 number. Okay. So students, now it is the last number from your exercise. Here is the question. A particular day, a traders received 23,325 from one source and 37,679 from other source. In the evening, he is to pay 60,000 to someone. By the method of estimations, find whether he has enough money to make the payment. That means what? One trader, that means one businessman has received money from two sources. From one source, but here 23,345 and another source 37,679. And lastly, he had to pay at evening someone 60,000. Then he has enough money or not? We can find the answer by using estimated methods. So here the question, that means question का मतलब क्या है? यहाँ एक ट्रेडर्स बिजनेसमैन है जो क्या करता है, अलग अलग सोर्सेस, अलग अलग दूसरे जगह से, एक जगह से कितना रिसीव किया, 23,345 किया और दूसरी जगह से 37,000 किया, और शाम को अब दूसरे को किसी को देना था 60,000. तो उसके पास जितना देने का मनी है, सफिशिएंट मनी है या नहीं, वही हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. तो पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, हम लोग टोटल मनी रिसीव बाय ट्रेडर्स. ओके, सो सॉल्यूशन इज हियर. टोटल मनी received by trader, okay, received by trader from different sources, from different sources is what? First is what? Rupees 23,345 and rupees 37,679. Total means what? Maybe 8 thus he got the money from two sources. Then we can know that how much money he has. So 5, 9, 44, carry 1, 7, 5, 12, 2, carry 1, 2, 6, 9, 10, carry 1, 10, 11, 1, 3, 2, 5, and 61,024. Then when we rounded up it, 61,000 is rounded up, then the answer is what? 61,000. 61,024 is rounded up. 60,000, so 61,000. 61,000. When we rounded up to nearest thousand, then it is what? Nearest thousand. Then 61,000 rupees has the traders. Then how much he want to give the someone? 60,000. What? 60,000. Then he has sufficient money or not? He has sufficient money because he received 61,000 and he gives someone to 60,000. Then we can say that yes, he has a sufficient or enough money to give someone. Then we can write the answer yes. Okay. It will be rounded up nearest thousand. Then yes, he has enough money to pay someone. Okay. Enough money to honor. That means he has a sufficient money to give someone. Okay. So I hope today all of you understood from number 7 to number 11 from the exercise 1.4. Next class we will do exercise 1.5 and 1.6. Okay. Have a good day.